Hi everybody! Today we are setting up for a Dia de Muertos Halloween themed art show. I'm very excited because I love Halloween, I love fall season, you know, pumpkin spice, all of that, skulls, and remembering those that have passed and transitioned on. So this is one of my favorite seasons of the year, even more than Christmas. And yes, we have some beautiful art here today. I was busy practically for the whole day setting up. So I want to show you all of the different works and art pieces. So we have mixed media, we have sculpture, we have glow-in-the-dark LED art, and we also have acrylic on canvas and some photography. Halloween is one of my favorite times of the year. I love fall, I love autumn, so to be surrounded in all Halloween Dia de Muertos art is just a dream come true. Skulls, calaveras, and remembering our ancestors.
Nice.
We had a lot of fun today setting up and organizing the paintings, and I'm looking forward to our opening night show, our evening show. So I just did some makeup. I think you can guess by this outfit. Got this kind of stuff. Just put my love to that. This is the altar for my grandparents. Have my ancestor dirt, candles, flowers. Granny liked Frangelico liquor, and my granddad liked rum. Just a casual day, you know, just a regular day. I really like this one because this one was not at the back of its art. It's mixed media, and the artist Erin, she got the back of the guitar and her skull. It's like a rooftop gin bar. There's a view of the city. It looks gorgeous. Beautiful. So I'm having a lychee gin drink right now. It's beautiful looking. It has bulldog gin. I can't wait to try it. Amazing. Lychee. It's a pink color.
I'm a big gin fan. I like gin, Bombay Sapphire, and all that. So right now I'm making some pumpkin bread. I put all my spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, ginger, and I had boiled the pumpkin last night. So this is from a nice big pumpkin. And I had boiled it last night to get the pulp. Get the pumpkin pulp, and I have enough, I think, to make a soup as well, pumpkin soup. I'm so excited. And also this has mixed essence in it, and vanilla, and some caramel. And I put Himalayan pink salt. I put Himalayan pink salt as well. I'm gonna put some pecans in this. Some pecans. I have lots of pecans, like around 2 packs of pecans, and then on top I'm gonna put the pumpkin seeds on top. So the pumpkin has been cooking now for a little bit. I put some onion, garlic, tomato, spicy pepper sauce, black pepper, paprika, and this is all vegan stuff, by the way. This is pumpkin seeds. And I'm going to add the veggie stock and coconut milk. I had also added some olive oil. That's the black pepper and paprika. And then to season it some more, I will be putting some rosemary. Rosemary complements pumpkin very well. So with the stock cubes, this is 2 stock cubes. 2 stock cubes in here. And I'll just add this, the pumpkin soup, and let it boil. I'll add the coconut milk a little bit later, but I'll just let the soup boil some more, and I'll add the rosemary. The soup is ready, and the pumpkin cake is done, or pumpkin loaf. It's nice and dense on the inside, and I did put cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, fresh ginger. There's white sugar and brown sugar in this, and it's vegan, so no dairy. I use flax egg. And these are the baked toasted pumpkin seeds. I really like doing festive cooking. Pumpkin seeds have garlic salt on them. Very nice and crispy. There's olive oil in this, and black pepper, paprika. I'm gonna show how dense this is because you can't really see it right now. It's kind of dark. I usually put walnuts, but since I have so many pecans, I just did pecans instead. But usually I put walnuts. And I did use brown sugar, so if you're wondering why the color's like that, it's because I use, mixed essence, brown sugar. I did add white sugar as well because it's a double batch recipe. Fresh ginger, so it's a little bit fudgy and dense, as you can see. These are really simple and easy to make. And the pumpkin soup. All my festive cooking has been done. And now I'm just gonna eat and enjoy everything. So this is kind of like challah, but without all the egg. And I have the wreath. As well. So I'm gonna put it to bake. This is like challah bread. The wreath with sesame, but there's no egg in it. I just left it to rise. And yeah, I'm gonna put it in. So the bread is ready. I had just taken it out of the oven now. I'm excited to try this. Oh, and by the way, I have my pumpkin seeds here. Some egg, black pepper, some alfalfa sprouts, and blue cheese, goat cheese, and some honey and olive oil. Now, sometimes when I'm having bread, I like to eat bread with egg and cheese, just goat cheese, blue cheese, just a little bit, because it has a lot of dairy in it. So I'm not really a fan of dairy, but I do like goat milk and goat cheese. And alfalfa sprouts are nice to top it off with, or arugula. Spinach is good, but I'm gonna have mine with sprouts, my egg with sprouts and pumpkin seeds, and the wreath bread and the braided bread. Sometimes when I cut into the bread, I add honey, or I will cut it and fry it up with some olive oil. And yeah, so let's see on the inside what it looks like. This is the wreath bread. This is the braided bread. Which one should I cut? I think I'll cut both. This is the wreath bread. So the bread is nice and plush and fluffy and soft. This is a yeast bread dough that I used. It's a little bit crunchy and crispy on the outside, and nice and fluffy and soft on the inside. Yeah, nice and soft and spongy on the inside there. Very nice.